Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to access applications music permissions in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and how to change it. First, we have to go to the settings. Now we're looking for security and privacy options here. And at the bottom we have permission manager. What does it do? Allow or deny apps to access features or data on your phone. And here we have all the permissions that are available for our change. And here is music and audio. So apps with this permission can access music and other audio files on this device. Let's say we don't want Chrome to listen to our music. So we just use this don't allow right here. And now Chrome is not allowed to access our music files. To grant this permission, we simply do it in reverse, allow, and it's as it was by default. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.